Today I'm going to make some Wahlburger bacon cheeseburgers on my beautiful, nicely seasoned BlackStone grill. They're going to be delicious. Did you ever have Wahlburgers burgers? I did. But I didn't tell you yet. Angus beef at its best. Chuck brisket blend. They're so delicious. And I watched Wahlburgers yesterday, and they put some bacon on, and they put some cheese on, and they're going to make them too. I watched them. Let me heat up this propane BlackStone grill. Let me turn it on. Get the bacon going first. It's me, see? I smell it. Nice. Got 4 burners in there. 2 controls. Shine it up. Shine it up. First I'm gonna put some bacon on there. I know I want 2 slices on each hamburger. Wahlburger. There's 4 in each package. I'm gonna put 1 package away because I'm only gonna eat 4 today. Let's put this back in the refrigerator. It's a nice brisk morning out here. It's about 57 degrees, which I don't mind. Although I do want to cut my grass later. Hello? Are you looking at me? First I'm gonna put the bacon on, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 slices. Oscar Mayer bacon. Peel apart here. See how easy. Easy? Oh, finally. Okay. 8 slices, nice and straight. Any extra? Have to eat them for dessert. Won't get a sizzle right away? Yes. Imagine your breakfast out here on the deck. Isn't that nice? We did that already. Bacon on one side. Burgers on the other side. Eight. Nice. Let's put that bacon away. We got half a pound left. Good job. I just want to cut up an onion and put it on there because I like it. Let's get the burgers on there. No, let's cut up an onion and put it on there. So I like a little bit of onion. Fried up, raw. I like them both ways. Scrumptious. Cut it however you like. You can cut it rings, cubes, strips. I cut them like that today. Sometimes I'll leave them a nice round ring and put it on there, but I want to fry these up. Mix them in there with the bacon. Onions for the birds. Here you go, birds. And put these beautiful burgers on here. See them? Wahlburgers. Not frozen when you buy them. Ooh. You got a BlackStone grill? We got one. It's a small one. They have bigger models with legs and everything, but this deck is a little small until we get a bigger house. This is perfect. I was going to keep an eye on them for a little while. Get all my fixings out here, my pickles, my better ketchup. Did you try that veg ketchup yet? I'll put a link down there. Better ketchup, organic. Got my bread and butter pickles, which I always love. Mount olive, and some mayo. And some American cheese. And a paper plate. Wahlburgers, bacon cheeseburgers. Homemade. Fried onions. It'll be good. And if you got your BlackStone grill leveled right, all the grease will go out the back to a trap back there. Grease trap. You like them? Don't turn them burgers over yet. Ready to flip them burgers? What would Donnie do? What would Mark do? Make them how you like them, that's what you do. You flip them burgers one time. What would Paul do? Paul's the main chef, I believe. Donnie, Mark, and Paul. And Mama. Bacon's almost done. I could turn that side down. Turn that side down to low. Alright. Don't forget their mother, Alma. I just read they have 31 locations across the country. But if you don't have a Wahlburgers near you, we got these burgers at ShopRite. If you have a ShopRite store, or maybe another supermarket near you, look at this bacon. Beautiful. I'm gonna turn that down. I'm gonna turn it off. Pick yourself up some. Just watch me eat them once a month. Well, I had them last week. I said, yeah, I have to have them again. I didn't make a video about them. My hungry friends want to see this, don't you? You like them pink in the middle? Cheese and bacon. Nice. So delicious. I wish you could smell this bacon and beef brisket burger. Chuck brisket blend, hearty beef flavor in every bite. Certified Angus beef. Oh, it's so good. You ready? I'm only gonna eat 2 right now. This is breakfast, you know. Couple more minutes. Get our buns ready. I like to put my mayo on the bottom. I could put lettuce and tomato on here too, but Right now I don't want to. I put a little mayo on the bottom. At the bottom. Oh, I got 2 bottoms and 2 tops there. All right, good. Mayo on the bottom, then the burger. Ketchup or better ketchup or whatever you like on top with pickles. Okay. Let's get the cheese over there. Start melting it. Here's the better ketchup. You gotta try this better ketchup. It's better. It's sweet and it's better for you. And you got the bread and butter pickles. That's what I like. You don't have to use them. That's what I like. Here, it's for the birds. Here you go, birds. Pickles for the birds. Let's get ready. Won't be long now. Open this ShopRite cheese. Since I'm only eating 2 burgers, I'm going to. Wow, look at it. I'm going to put 2 slices of cheese on each burger. And now, a bit of onion. You can skip that part, or you could add extra onion. And beautiful. Beautiful. Crunchy. Crisscross bacon. Perfect. I like it dark. Perfect for me. Hey, am I in your way? Sorry. I usually put a big pot lid on mine when I'm cooking, but I'm going to just put this pot on because I don't have a lid that big. Just like that. A couple minutes. Okay? Yes. I'm going to eat it. Because it's time to eat, that's why. You ready to peek at that? Oh, look at that. Even the bird loves it up there. Even the trucks are stopping from the road. They want some. Put that on a bun. Sit down and eat it. Two buns. Oh. Flip my lid down the road there. Lost a little bit of bacon, but that's okay. Hear the bird? Let's take a bite. Come here. Hear the bird? Here we go. Thank you, BlackStone. Thank you, Wahlburgers. Thank you, Wahlburgers. Thank you, me. Cheese, onion, bacon, delicious chuck brisket blend. That meat is so good. Can you see it? Hope you see all right. Hi, bird. And I have two left, remember? So good. Pickles, better ketchup. So make yourself some of them. Now there's a bee up there. Hey! You don't like meat? I was gonna cut my grass today. Might wash my mower. Want to watch me wash my mower? I know some of you do. Look at that. That meat didn't shrink very much. I think these were $12 or something. I'm not sure. Check them, but they're worth it. I bet you pay almost that for a nice burger like that in a fancy restaurant, right? Or at Wahlburgers. I don't know how much they are. I gotta go there someday soon. Don't I? New York, Chicago, I don't know. They were in Philly, are they? They're on Facebook and Pinterest. Oh, follow Wahlburgers at Home, wahlburgersathome.com. Check that out, okay? Let me finish eating my Wahlburger. Thanks for stopping by. Get yourself some of these, or stop by Wahlburgers. Tell them I said hi. And if you're watching, hi. Good meat, man. I love it. Talk to you soon. Woo!